There are days when transition feels less like becoming someone new and more like finally recognizing yourself. Let this session bring your attention back to that connection. Settle into a comfortable position, lower the volume to a gentle level, and let each affirmation support your identity, patience, and emotional relationship with your HRT journey. I allow myself to slow down. I breathe gently through uncertainty. I feel safe being present with myself. I release pressure from this moment. I let my shoulders relax. I give myself permission to rest. I return my attention to the present. I welcome calm into my thoughts. I treat my emotions with patience. I allow difficult feelings to soften. I do not need every answer today. I create space for supportive thoughts. I feel grounded in my own experience. I release the need to rush my journey. I allow my breathing to stay natural. I respect what I need emotionally. I let comparison leave my attention. I choose gentleness toward myself. I feel supported by my own care. I welcome a calmer relationship with transition. I feel connected to my feminine identity. I recognize the woman within my own experience. I allow femininity to feel personal. I trust the way I understand myself. I welcome softness into my self-image. I feel worthy of feminine self-respect. I value my personal expression. I allow my feminine identity to feel familiar. I see myself with kinder eyes. I feel more at home within myself. I recognize femininity in my personality. I trust what feels authentic to me. I allow myself to enjoy feminine expression. I release pressure to perform femininity perfectly. I welcome confidence into my identity. I respect my unique way of being feminine. I let my self-concept grow naturally. I feel emotionally connected to who I am. I honor the person I already know myself to be. I allow myself to become more comfortable being me. I approach my HRT journey with patience. I respect my personal transition timeline. I allow my experience to unfold without constant measurement. I remain connected to myself during periods of waiting. I give myself time to process change. I release pressure for immediate results. I focus on my emotional well-being today. I respect that every HRT journey is different. I allow uncertainty without turning against myself. I trust myself through each stage. I welcome patience when progress feels difficult to notice. I value emotional growth as part of my transition. I recognize progress beyond appearance. I respect the choices that support my well-being. I allow my journey to belong to me. I feel secure without comparing timelines. I give myself permission to move slowly. I remain feminine regardless of where I am in transition. I support myself through changing emotions. I trust my ability to stay connected to myself. I treat my body with respect today. I appreciate my body without demanding perfection. I release harsh judgment from my reflection. I choose patience with my appearance. I allow my body image to become kinder. I respect my body through every stage. I release comparison with other bodies. I notice moments when I feel more comfortable. I choose encouragement over criticism. I feel worthy of body appreciation now. I allow my reflection to feel less demanding. I respect my personal pace. I give myself time to adjust emotionally. I appreciate the care I give myself. I allow self-acceptance to develop gradually. I welcome a calmer relationship with my body. I recognize that difficult days do not erase progress. I trust myself when body image feels complicated. I support my body with compassion. I choose patience instead of pressure. I feel increasingly connected to myself. I carry my feminine identity into everyday life. I feel comfortable expressing who I am. I trust myself in social situations. I welcome confidence into my personal style. I allow myself to feel feminine today. I speak to myself with respect. I protect my peace from comparison. I welcome supportive thoughts when doubt appears. I feel worthy of being seen as myself. I allow my identity to feel natural. I trust the person I am becoming. I welcome greater emotional alignment. I honor my transition without rushing it. I feel secure in my feminine self-concept. I recognize myself more clearly each day. I allow self-respect to guide my journey. I carry patience into my future. I feel proud of the connection I am building with myself. I am becoming more comfortable, more connected, and more myself. I allow myself to slow down. I breathe gently through uncertainty. I feel safe being present with myself. I release pressure from these moments. I let my shoulders relax. I give myself permission to rest. I return my attention to the present. I welcome calm into my thoughts. I treat my emotions with patience. I allow difficult feelings to soften. I do not need every answer. I create space for supportive thoughts. I feel grounded in my own experience. I release the need to rush my journey. I allow my breathing to stay natural. I respect my emotions. I let comparison ruin this relationship. Notice which words stayed with you without trying to hold on to all of them. Your HRT journey has its own rhythm, and your identity does not need to wait for a milestone. Which affirmation felt most personal today? Share it below, and subscribe to stay close for more transition-focused affirmation sessions.